Hi, and welcome to this new video on 10 steps to transform your life in a year. Are you ready to make a change in your life, but don't know where to start? The idea of overhauling your entire life can be overwhelming, but it's important to remember that big changes often start with small, incremental steps. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 steps you can take to transform your life in a year. Step 1. Identify your goals. Before you start making any changes, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Take some time to think about your long-term goals and what you want your life to look like in a year's time. Do you want to improve your physical health? Advance in your career? Build stronger relationships? Write down your goals and be specific about what you want to accomplish.
Step 2. Make a plan. Now that you have your goals in mind, it's time to create a plan to achieve them. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks and assign deadlines for each of them. This will help you stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Step 3. Set boundaries. In order to make room for the changes you want to make in your life, you may need to set some boundaries with the people and activities that are taking up your time. This could mean saying no to social invitations that don't align with your goals, or setting aside dedicated time each week to focus on your priorities. Step 4. Get organized. Disorganization can be a major roadblock to achieving your goals. Take some time to declutter your physical space and get your schedule in order. This will help you feel more in control and make it easier to focus on the tasks at hand. Step 5. Learn something new. Learning something new can be a great way to challenge yourself and expand your horizons. Whether it's taking a class, reading a book, or simply trying out a new hobby, adding a little variety to your life can be a great source of motivation and fulfillment. Step 6. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you're grateful for can help shift your perspective and make it easier to stay positive and motivated. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you're thankful for, and try to incorporate this practice into your daily routine. Step 7. Take care of your physical health. Your physical health plays a big role in your overall well-being. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and getting regular exercise. These habits will help you feel energized and capable of tackling your goals. Step 8. Seek support. Changing your life can be a challenging process, and it's important to have a support system in place to help you through it. Surround yourself with people who encourage and motivate you, and don't be afraid to seek help from professionals, like a therapist or coach, if you need it. Step 9. Celebrate your wins. It's important to recognize and celebrate your progress along the way. Whether it's a small victory or a major milestone, taking the time to celebrate your successes will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. Step 10. Reflect and adjust. As you work towards your goals, it's important to periodically check in with yourself and make sure you're on track. Take time to reflect on what's working and what's not, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. Conclusion. Changing your life takes time and effort, but with a clear plan and a little bit of determination,